Welcome to my channel Vision by Nal Blushi. Today we are going to learn how to write a presentation in English. Okay, there are some rules that you have to remember. After that, writing presentation will be easy for you. So first of all, you have to greet the audience. Okay, what's included in the greeting? Say good morning everybody. I hope that you are fine. You have to start your presentation with the greeting. Okay, next you have to introduce yourself. What's your name and in which class you are? My name is, suppose your name is Salma. My name is Salma and I am a student in grade 11. Write your name and your grade name here. Okay, you understood? First, greet the audience. Say good morning everybody. I hope that you are fine. Secondly, introduce yourself. My name is Salma and I am a student in grade 11. Number 3, introduce your topic. Do not start from the topic. You have to greet the audience, introduce yourself. After that, start your topic. Okay, today I am going to be talking about what your topic is. You'll write your topic name here. Today I am going to be talking about, say what you are going to be talking about. Okay, number 4, tell the audience about the stages of your presentation. Inform the audience what you are going to talk about in this presentation. Suppose I will begin by outlining then I will go on to highlight then I will mention, finally I will. So you cannot complete the sentence now because we don't know the topic. If you know the topic, then it will be easy to complete it here. But these are some help lines which will be used for writing in the presentation. Okay, firstly you will greet the audience, then introduce yourself, then introduce your topic, then you will tell the audience about your presentation, that what you are going to say include in the presentation. Okay, or you can use these words also. First of all, I will explain why, then the sentence. I will continue by giving example of, then continue the next topic. To finish, I will. To conclude, for the last, you will use to finish, I will. Then you will use this. And number 5, give the audience chance to talk, to ask you. For example, does anyone have a question? Number 6, thank the audience. At the last, you have to thank the audience. Thank you for listening and your time. Okay, so this is the way you write your presentation. So it is not only about one topic, so you should know your topic first, then you will write accordingly. Suppose we have chosen a topic. Somebody sent me a message and requested to write about strange hotels. So our topic is strange hotels. So how we will write about these? First of all, we need to write some information about our topic. We have to make a mind map. A strange hotel, what we know about strange hotels. You have to gather some information about that topic. 20 strange hotels in the world, designed and shaped strangely, advanced services, costly. So it is all about strange hotels. I've taken out the information from the website. There are total 20 strange hotels in the world. They are designed and shaped differently from the hotel. Suppose they are on the mountain or in the sea, deep in the sea or somewhere else. So they are designed differently with different locations. They are costly, very expensive, because they have some different facilities and views. That's why. So next I will talk about, because there are 20 strange hotels, but we will talk about one, that is Poseidon Resort in Fiji. Okay, so what are the points about Poseidon Resort in Fiji? First, hotel under the sea. some information about the Poseidon Resort in Fiji is it is the first hotel under the sea. It is most strangest in the world. Is 4 feet below the surface of the sea, and view marine creature and feed them. You can view marine creature and feed them from this resort. The most beautiful hotel. It is the most beautiful hotel. So now we are going to write it in a presentational way, okay, and we will present it in our presentation, but we will use this method to start our writing, okay. We will not start writing like an essay. We will use these points. Let's take one paper, and by the help of these points we will write a presentation, okay. So now, can you help me how to write a presentation? Our presentation topic is what is the presentation topic? We are going to write about strange hotels, okay. So strange hotels, and what we have selected from that, we have selected the hotel Poseidon Resort. In Fiji. This is our topic. So now, hope you have an idea how to write the presentation. Here are some points which help us to write the presentation. First of all, good morning everybody. I hope that you are fine. Start your presentation from that. Good morning everybody, everyone. I hope that you are fine. Okay, after that what you will write? You'll write my name is, you'll start, you write about your introduction. My name is, suppose your name is Salma. My name is Salma, and I am a student in grade 11, or any grade you are in. You write your grade name here. Now introduce your topic. Today I am going to talk about, or today I am going to be talking about. Today I am going to be talking about. These all are same, yet we did not write our topic, okay. So from here we will start. Today I am going to be talking about. Now we will write our topic name. What's our topic name? Strange hotels. Strange hotels. Right? Tell the audience. Now tell the audience about the stages of your presentation. Now we have to tell the audience that what we are going to say in this presentation, what we are going to share. Here are some notes. I'll begin by outlining the, or you can also use these First of all, I will explain. I'll continue by giving example of. To finish, you can also use these, or you can say I will begin by outlining, then I'll go on to highlight, then I'll mention, finally I. So we will use one from them. You'll start. First of all, I will explain what we are going to explain. What are the strange hotels? Okay. Then we will write I will be, or then I will go on. Anything you will write. We will select then. Okay. Then I'll go on to highlight the first strange hotel in the world. About this Poseidon Resort in Fiji. Finally, or to finish, you can write finally I will, or you can write to finish I will. Finally, I will give some more information about the resort. Okay. So we have told the audience what we are going to write in the presentation. Now it's time to start the presentation. We will start the presentation by these words again, but differently. Let me start with, now let's move to the second point, move to another point. I'll go on explaining, or to sum up such sentences we will use here. So I will select let me start with. Here you introduced what you are going to cover in the presentation. Now you will start your presentation about this. You'll write about this. You write everything about the strange hotels. Now with explanations. Here we just talk about a little bit. Okay. Now let's write here. Let me start with a question. Do you really know? Do you really know what are strange hotels? To drive the attention of the audience, you are asking a question. Do you really know what are strange hotels? Now you'll explain. Strange hotels are the hotels designed differently with a strange shape and location. Okay, we can see some hotels are on the trees nowadays, some hotels are on the mountains, and big resorts and hotels are under the seas. Okay, so these are called strange hotels. Now let's talk about what we are writing. We are writing the information. These information we are converting it into the sentences. Okay, if you know how to write English, then it will be easy for you to write anything in presentation or an email. So let's continue our topic. Do you really know what are strange hotels? Strange hotels are the hotels designed differently with a strange shape and location. For going to the next point, we will use kind of sentence from here. Okay, do you really know what are strange hotels? Strange hotels are the hotel designed differently with a strange shape and location. They provide, you can write like that, they provide advanced services. They provide advanced services like internet, and deep views. They are very expensive or very costly because of their but you can write here because of their environment and facilities. You are covering the topic which you have already told in the beginning. Okay, they are very costly. See, costly because of their environment and facilities. Now you'll write, we will take next page. After that, we will take next page and we will write about the Poseidon Resort. Okay, so what we will write here now? We will write there are 20 strange hotels in the world. I will discuss one of the strangest hotel in the world. Poseidon Resort in Fiji is the first hotel, first strange just hotel in the world. Now let's give some more information about this. It is 4 feet below the surface of the sea. It is built under the sea. Okay. I will continue. You can write I'll continue. We have taken some sentences from here. Not from here, sorry. From here. I will continue then to finish, okay? I will continue by its most amazing fact. You can view marine creatures and feed them. It is the most amazing fact about this hotel, this resort, that you can view marine creature and feed them from there. Okay. I think that's all. Now what you will write at the end? Yeah, one last thing is remaining, that we did not finish this. Yes, so to finish, finally we will use, so the last sentence to finish, I will, to finish, I will, or I'll tell you that it is the most beautiful hotel in the world. Okay, that's all. Sorry, again I forgot. At the last, we will not finish like an essay. At last, what we will write? Number 5, give the audience chance to ask you. Does anyone have a question? You can also write like this, or you can skip this one. You can say thank you for listening to me and your time. Or you can say, do you have any question? About strange hotels? You started your presentation with the question, you are ending your presentation with a question. Hope you found my presentation helpful or informative. Thank you for listening and your time. Okay, so that's all. It was about strange hotels. We covered only one resort in our presentation. Let me repeat it for you. This is the pattern how we write the presentation. First of all, greet the audience. Secondly, introduce yourself. Thirdly, introduce your topic. Then tell the audience about the stages of your presentation, what you are going to write in the presentation or what you are going to say in the presentation. Then after, explain your topic, okay, starting with these sentences. At last, give the audience chance to ask you. Thank the audience, okay. So this is the way we have got one informative presentation, strange hotel. We wrote something on that. It's not taken from anywhere. I have written it from myself. Somebody told me to write about it.